Here I have OPPO Realme 2 and let me show you how to add here the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select settings. From the list of settings, let's choose here the fingerprint face and passcode. Now let's choose fingerprint, and all you need to do is choose add a fingerprint. So before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. Let me choose other encryption methods, and you can choose here pattern, digit, number, passcode or alphanumeric passcode. Let me use pattern. So let's draw your pattern, let's do it twice just for confirmation. And now you need to add the fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is located at the back of the device right here. Let's just start tapping the sensor. Alright, let's adjust the holding position, so let's tap continue and let's start tapping one more time. Okay, choose continue, and basically that's it. Now you can lock your device by pressing the power key, and you can unlock it by using the fingerprint or by using the pattern. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.